you guys probably have going on at home, a big toolbox that's nice and heavy. Hey guys, so we want to know, can we pull this bike apart with a shifter and a multi-tool? Save you carrying a whole toolbox like we just showed you. Because no one wants to cart around the whole toolbox while they're coming down the road. So we're going to try and take the wheels off, nice and simple. Fix a tube or a puncture repair. And we're going to see if we can fix the brakes. They're the main problems you probably have while you're riding around outside. You probably want to check your brakes before you leave every time. Just make sure that the handlebars are nice and tight and not loose. And your seat height is right to your hip height.
Dad,
So when
you forgot to check on the thing.
see, yeah. Lunch. Go check on lunch. Hey guys, how you going? You're probably wondering why we've got the old push bike from the tip shop here today. As you can see, we want to know if we can pull it apart with a multi-tool and a shifter. Oh, can't even get this out right, and a shifter. First things first, is we probably want to get off the grass, I reckon. Just in case you drop a bolt or just in case something happens, you know where it's going to fall. Here. That's if you want to get down. The first things first is we probably want to make sure that we've got our tools together. Safety rubber so your spokes don't hit the tube. What you want to do is find your hole. And do the tube tyre first. Valve. There's a lip on this side. And a hole. And now your valve has come through and you'll be right. So now all we want to do is flip it around, put that tube like so. There you have one wheel back to you. Just check this valve. Give it a bit of a tap. Make sure that it's in properly. Now that we've done that, we can put the wheel back on. Make sure those clips clip into the right spot. Just wind up by hand until you can. No more. Then get your shifter, multi grips. Brakes back on. This front wheel complete apart from pumping it up, so we still have to go pump it up with a pump or an air compressor. Let's say you want to do the back wheel. So what you want to do is you want to take this up and forward. Don't forget those brakes.